Alright, so got our picks here. We can pull these out. This one's going to be a little more difficult, but oh look, it's coming apart. Nice and falling apart. That's exactly why it was leaking. Sometimes these are a pain to get out because they fall apart. There it is. So that's pressure seal that basically went out. So these are directional seals. Obviously the side that's got this U channel in it goes in so that whenever you have pressure on this side, they will expand and push against the walls and create the seal on the inside and the outside. So look in there, we'll get that all cleaned out. We'll get this, these guys are a little more difficult. Push in. That's that bushing. So we got both of the seals on the inside cleaned out. And then we'll have this seal here to get out. This one's going to be a little more difficult. Okay, it broke. That rutted. I'll have to stretch that over. Now, we'll be careful not to drop this. Now, we'll use a little flathead to get in there and pry that open. See if I've even got one in here. See if this will get in there. Maybe, maybe not. I'll turn this way. Try not to damage anything when I do this. It really doesn't want to get in there, and that's kind of too wide. And that doesn't have enough.